Miss Maggie has eaten 3 times in the last hour. She had a bottle of formula, she had some wet food out of the can, and she had some mama food, because mama's deciding to feed her again. Look at this fat belly. She's like, hey, don't do that. Look at that fat belly. She's so fat. She's like, what? What'd I do? I'm a kitten. I'm supposed to be. Look at how fat this kitten is. She's like a little puffy, stripy football. Meow, 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 meow. Meow. What? What's the matter, Miss Maggie? Yeah. Oh, fat kitten. There's Mommy and Aunt Ghost in the background going all nom 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 nom. Oh, thank you, mister. Appreciate that. Little girl, what you do? Oh, we like to rub under ears. Rubbing the ears is a good spot. Rubbing the fat belly makes her go meow though. Say hi. Hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. I'm cute. My name is Maggie. Now I'm going. Bye, YouTube. I'm out of here.